$4,277 in just 9 days using the free JvZoo affiliate platform? What? How does that even work? How can you get started making money with JvZoo? Well, in this video, we're going to break it down and we're going to talk about exactly how JvZoo works, how I made the money, how you can make money, plus some killer tactics that'll put you over the edge into some big earnings. We're going to show you what JvZoo is and how it works, how you can get paid by JvZoo, an easy way to get started with JvZoo starting right now, even if you have $0. Plus, you're going to learn my secret trigger word method that you can use to literally sell the hell out of JvZoo products as an affiliate or product vendor. And then lastly, we're going to show you some killer ways that you can profit big time, go for the big bucks, and make big money on JvZoo. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, welcome back, and thanks for tuning in. If you like this kind of stuff and want to learn more about how to make money online, make sure you subscribe and click the bell because we got tons of videos here all about how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing and more. Now, you're going to notice here a screenshot on my desktop showing some of my recent earnings. Yes, these are very recent, just a couple of weeks ago. I promoted a product on JvZoo as an affiliate, and I earned sometimes as much as like $1,100, $1,200 a day or more. Now, that was my cut alone. You can actually see that we sold like 2,000, 2,500. So I got about 50%, which adds up pretty quick. Now, in order to be transparent with you and show you how this works, I'm just going to go ahead and go into my JvZoo account here, and I'm going to do the dates in question so that you can see it live, what we're making here. Now, I started promoting this on the 21st. I actually had to get a new JvZoo account because I had one back from 2013 and hadn't touched it since. So I got a new one, started promoting on the 21st, and you could see from the 21st to the 31st, which is about 9 days, 10 days if you count every single hour in there, but I promoted it like halfway through the first day, so it wasn't even like, I didn't even start in the morning, right? So we could see here that since then, I actually made a little bit more than I stated because of a different product. We actually made $4,349.92. Now, most of it was from this product here, the Synthesis Voice Creator software, which did pretty good. So we're going to take a look at this. We got a little bit from the keyword search tool and stuff like that as well. And the cool part is that this was only from about 1,452 clicks. So I actually generated like $3 a click. So you can see on average for every person I was sending over to the affiliate website, I was pocketing about $3, which is pretty good because then I know, hey, if I could send 1,000 clicks, I can make 3,000 bucks. If I could send 10,000 clicks, I can make 30,000. And on we go, which is really, really cool. Now, I wanted to show you that first and foremost, so that you understand where we're coming from. You understand this is something I've actually done personally, I've actually made money with personally, and recently. Very important. Now, if at any time you want to download notes from this video or get tutorials or anything like that, check out downloadmynotes.com. We got everything laid out for you about how JvZoo works and how to get started and everything like that. But first, let's go ahead and dive in and talk about what is JvZoo and how does it work. Well, JvZoo is both an affiliate platform and also a product seller platform. So if I have a product I want to sell, I could put it on JvZoo. I could get affiliates to promote it, pay them a cut, pay JvZoo a little cut, pocket the rest. Works really well. Have lots of friends making millions of dollars with this platform, and it's actually very easy. Now, if you don't have a product, never fear. You can sign up as an affiliate for free. You simply go over to jvzoo.com, click on sign up, you sign up to be an affiliate, enter in your info, and you're ready to go. Now, JvZoo is an affiliate network. They got lots of affiliate products to choose from. If you go over to JvZoo, right like this, you can find products on literally anything you want to find them on, from making money to weight loss and everything like that. Now, I find that JvZoo is best for simple little software tools. I'm going to show you why in just a little bit. Now, we can go here, we can choose a category, or we could search for a product, and then all we have to do is request approval or click on Get Links. We can promote it right away and start making money right away. So first of all, JvZoo is an affiliate network, a product selling platform. It's also a payment platform, And it's also sort of a membership site if you want to build a membership site using JvZoo. It's actually pretty easy. Now let's talk about how to get paid by JvZoo. How does JvZoo pay me? Well, there's several ways you can get paid by JvZoo. If you are an affiliate, which most of you guys probably are, you can get paid by PayPal, Payoneer, you can get paid by check. And one of the cool things that I really like that a lot of the programs on JvZoo offer is instant affiliate commissions. That means you can get paid as soon as the customer gets paid for your affiliate commission, which is pretty cool. It just goes right into your PayPal or Payoneer or however it works. Now, once you've accumulated enough money to be able to drop it to a bank account, all you have to do is go in here and click on distributions, and then it'll send it to your Payoneer, your PayPal, or it'll write you a check. Very simple, very easy. As you can see from that promo last month, I got about $4,150 sitting in there ready to be paid to me, and I could just click on distributions and get that paid to me right away. And now let's talk about how to get started with JvZoo. Well, the first thing you want to do in anything when you want to make money online is first of all find your niche market. Now, since I said that JvZoo is very good for like little softwares and things, you would want to find a market around the products you're trying to promote. So if you're in the weight loss, you would find a backdoor into the weight loss market. If you're into software reviews, maybe you'd want to go into a review type market. Or if you're going for like PLR products, you can go for that keyword. We're going to show you in detail how that works in just a little bit. The second thing you want to do is locate products or create your own product. So you go in there and you're like, okay, I'm going to market weight loss. I found a good keyword. I found a good niche. I would just go in here and I would type in weight loss, and I would find products that have to do with weight loss that look like good products that I can run to my traffic. Very cool. So we got like keto diet, fitness niche, and you could see that a lot of these products have sold 1,000, 1,500 copies, 1,500 copies, 500, and on we go. So these things are actually selling, and JvZoo actually goes in and shows you the average earnings per click that most people on the network are getting. So obviously, if it's like 3 cents a click, I probably won't promote it because it's probably not going to be a good converter. Then when I'm ready, I just click on request approval, fill out a little form that talks about my website and how I'm going to promote it. Then I get my links and I'm ready to go. I then grab those links and put them on my website, or if I'm promoting in a Facebook group, I can put them in there, or if I'm doing blogs or forums, I could do that, or I can make a YouTube video and put a link to it. Whatever I want to do, it's very easy because once I have that affiliate link, then I get paid every time someone buys through that link, and it goes into my JvZoo account, and I can get paid for all the products I'm promoting all in one spot, all at one time, which makes it extremely easy. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and drive some traffic to my affiliate link. Now, it's very important that you have your affiliate disclosures and disclaimers and everything like that so that people know you are a paid promoter. But other than that, it's actually pretty easy. You just go out there and get people to your link and make some sales. Now, one of the easy ways that a lot of JvZoo affiliates make big money is using a super easy method with review sites. That's right, they simply go out there and find keywords related to reviews of the products that are on JvZoo. They get that traffic of people that are already looking to buy the product. They explain it and kind of push that customer over the edge. Then when they buy through the affiliate link, you get paid, which is pretty cool. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the good stuff, which is the best JvZoo niche trigger words. Now, what is a trigger word, you might ask? Well, a trigger word is a word that you can use to see what's going on behind the search engines and actually find non-competitive keywords for whatever you want to promote. So this works really good with JvZoo and pretty much anything you want to market online because as you're going to notice, stuff's pretty competitive. So if we take a look at this list of the top 10 JvZoo top sellers over the past 30 days, you're going to see we got a funnel software, we got the Synthesis voice editor software that I promoted, Leads Gorilla, Commerce Mojo, Agencies, Dropshiply, Stormers, Howdy Ads, Social Feed, and Drop Blogger. Now, a lot of these tie to markets that are really, really expensive and really competitive. So, like, you either have to pay a fortune to sell them, which isn't going to work because they don't pay you that much, or you have to get free traffic, and you're going to find that that's competitive too. So if we look at this, let's take a look at like funnels and stuff like that. If we were to use our keyword tool and use like Shopify, you're going to see this is super competitive. It's like a bazillion dollars a click. Not really, but it's pretty high. And it's very difficult to get into. Now, if we do the same thing for like robot voice generator, which is what the voice program is, again, very competitive. And if we look at sales funnel, again, super competitive, very difficult to get into. So what's the answer here? Well, the answer is to go for what I call trigger words. Now, trigger words are words that you can use to jog the search engine to find stuff that's not competitive. Some of these keywords are like how to, alternatives, versus, ways to, with, plus, etc. You can get an entire list over at downloadmynotes.com. We got that ready for you. You can download it, print it out, copy and paste it, stick it on your wall, and use it to find niches. Now, when we go through to use this, let's say we're going to sell something to like Shopify people. Now, this software on JvZoo is actually like an alternative to Shopify. So we could actually use the keyword Shopify alternatives, and you could see it's much less competitive. And if we use the trigger word versus, you could see like Builderall versus ClickFunnels versus lead pages. Very, very low competition here. These are words that you can rank for in the search engines for free. Very, very simple. And if you're doing YouTube videos, it's even easier than that. We can even use alternatives to ClickFunnels, which has 400 searches a month and very little competition there. We can even go for questions like, does Printful work with WordPress? Which I'm sure there's a JvZoo plugin that does that. How to use Stripe with WordPress. Facebook ad sizes if we're running the Howdy Ads program, and more. So you can see these trigger words are a great backdoor into any market where you can find non-competitive, free traffic, or even super cheap traffic. The key is to be a little creative and think about what people are searching for that would lead them to buy the products or services that you want to promote. It's actually very simple. You can go to forums, you can go on search engines, you can find people literally anywhere and sell your products and sell these JvZoo products as an affiliate and pocket the cash. Very, very simple. And this is one of the methods I use to make lots of money online. You can see here we rank for 7 Linktree alternatives. I'm actually going for the keyword Linktree alternatives, which is very inexpensive, and I'm going into the web hosting market. So I'm going into a market that's like $30 a click with free traffic, which is pretty cool. And I can make sales and get signups, and there's no competition. So it's really easy. Now, let's talk about the real way to get started. We want to compile everything you learned in this video and make it big so that you can build a business around this method. So the real secret to making big JvZoo money is to have some kind of update list. So what you want to do is you want to create your website, your blog, your storefront, as it were, around a certain idea. Whether you're using the trigger words and you're doing alternatives to different e-commerce software or Shopify stuff, or maybe you're teaching people different ways to make money on Fiverr. So we go through and we find our market and we look for something that's got a lot of people, right? So if we go in here and we're like, how to make money on Fiverr, there's 1,500 people a month searching for this. There's tons of tools on JvZoo that people can use to start making money on Fiverr. So what I would do is I would go through and I'd set up my site all about how to make money with freelance Fiverr stuff. Right? Very simple. Then I would go through and I'd find keywords that people are searching for related to the products and services that I can sell that have to do with Fiverr. So like background removers, video creators, whiteboard videos, voiceovers, all kinds of things like that. You name it, I can make it very simple. I put together my site. I start doing little overviews on how these tools are going to help people make money on Fiverr. On my site, I have a little thing that says, put your name and email to get my Fiverr money-making guide. They put their name and email to get the Fiverr money-making guide. Then they go to my mailing list. I could use a free mailing list service, or I could use like Aweber or GetResponse or whatever I want. Then they're going to go to my email list. Now, this is where it gets big because we're going to take our mailing list and we are going to send them new product updates. So you got these people that wanted your guide on how to make money on Fiverr, and now you're like, hey guys, check it out. I just found this cool tool for you that's going to help you make money on Fiverr by creating whiteboard videos. Next day, hey guys, I found this new tool for you that's going to help you build websites. hey guys, I found this new tool for you that's going to do voiceovers that you could do on Fiverr. And it's very simple. And now you have something very targeted that you can keep sending people back to over and over and over again. You're going to be known as the guy who creates value, or gal, to be politically correct, that creates value. You're going to get people back to you. And once you have this mailing list, when a new product pops up on JvZoo, or when you find something that you like on JvZoo, you can email it out and boom, start making money right away. The key is to tie it all into your theme. Your theme being how to make money on Fiverr, how to deal with local clients, how to do SEO, alternatives to Shopify, alternatives to ClickFunnels, how to set this up. And it's very simple to do, and you can build a mailing list and you can make a fortune doing this. Don't overthink it. Do it, make it work, and go over to affiliatemarketingdude.com, download my free Affiliate Marketing Dude toolbar, which has my free course in it that's going to show you how to make all this stuff work in real time. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, and check out my next video around here somewhere.